guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Ella. I film fun college, lifestyle, beauty, and summer videos. I upload every Monday and Friday. If you want to see more of me, you can always subscribe and see me all the time on my Instagram and other social media. If you guys want to see how I turned my car into a VSCO Girl Car or Pinterest Girl Car, definitely keep watching. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Hey guys, so first, please ignore that I'm starting to break out. I did like one of those really intense like peel masks last night, and it's supposed to like strip your skin, you give new skin, and then it just made my skin super irritated, so that's the tea there. So I've been seeing all over YouTube and just like Instagram, Pinterest, VSCO, these videos of like VSCO girl this, VSCO girl that. I'm like, what is this? I'm so intrigued. I think like Haley Pham started this. I'm not exactly sure. And I like was looking more into it, and I was like, oh my gosh, these are so cute, so trendy. So I was like, why now I get stuff to make my car kind of more like VSCO girl-esque. So I'll show you guys some cute things I picked up. So first I'll insert pictures here of what I think a VSCO girl is. So here.
But hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay.
Okay, now that you guys have kind of seen like the VSCO Girl Car, VSCO, like what the VSCO Girl like tag is about, if you don't know, now there's kind of some context behind this. I got some things that I thought were super cute. I noticed that they always have scrunchies, so I got some from Francesca's. This one, it's purple, navy, and has like glitter. It's supposed to be like kind of like space, like galaxy-esque. And then this one's just navy. I feel like Francesca's has really good selection of scrunchies. Also, if you're looking for like really cheap in bulk scrunchies, I know you can get 40 for $10 on Amazon. So I'll link that down below. I'll link all of the stuff I have today down below. I know I'm bad about it sometimes. I totally forget and I just upload, but I'm saying it out loud, so then hopefully me editing this video will know to link them for you guys. Next, I just got some of my older Lokai bracelets. I thought these would be kind of cute to put on like my gear shift. I remember when these used to like first came out, and like everybody had them, like anyone had them. So now I kind of have them. I only wear them like if I'm going to the beach, because I like to wear jewelry, and these are like completely waterproof, so I like that. But I thought they would be really cute in my car. Next, I feel like everyone always has a hydro flask. I don't have a hydro flask, but I do have, this is like the tequila version. It's from, I think, Marshall's. I have a sticker I just put on, and I let them process before like I peel off the first layer. It's a decal. This is just a yellow one I get at Marshall's. It's 40 ounces, or 1.2 liters. It's only like $15, and if I can find it, I'll link it down below. I'm pretty sure they carry this brand on Amazon as well. I just feel like hydro flasks are really expensive, and I lose my water bottles way too much to pay a lot of money for them. So here's a cheaper alternative. Next, I just got a cute little cord. This one is from Amazon. It's just blue and black like braided rope. I thought this was cuter than just the plain, let me unhook it, it will come unhooked, the plain white iPhone one. Thought this was kind of fun and funky, and it's 3 feet, which is pretty great, just so if like someone in the back of my car needs to charge, they won't have to worry about like leaving their phone in the center console. They can still use it. And then lastly, I got some chapstick. This is the Glossier MangoBomb.com. I feel like the VSCO girls always have like cute chapstick somehow sitting in like their center console. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and arrange this, and I'll show you guys. This is kind of how I chose to arrange it. Here's kind of an overview. Sorry, I'm actually at Starbucks getting some work done. But here's kind of an overview. I forgot to show this, but I got these at Walmart. It's they're from Glade. It's like, those things that make your car smell good. I don't know exactly what you call them. I guess car fresheners. I like the ones that hang and that are paper. I find the ones that are gel actually can melt your vents and kind of your dashboard. So it's better just to get the paper ones, and you can just recycle them when you're done. This is actually a friend, my friend's mom got this for me when I first started driving, and I've had it ever since. So yeah, I've had it in all of my cars. Next, I just have my 2 little scrunchies. Whoever created the scrunchie trend, I love you. This is so cute. I think this would be super fun if you had like neon scrunchies, or if you drive a stick shift, this would be so cute to put on. Next, I just have my car chapsticks, the Glossier and then the Laneige one. Then I always have a hand sanitizer, just because after you get gas or if you're out and about, you want to kind of just be as germ-free as possible, especially in the winter when it's like flu season and stuff. So I always try and keep some form of like hand sanitizer on me. Next, I just put my AirPods inside of all of my Lokai bracelets. They actually didn't fit around my dashboard, but they look super cute being my AirPod holders. Yes, I did bejewel my AirPod case. I just thought it was cute and something kind of fun. The inner 7-year-old me with my bedazzler was just having a great time when I did this. Next, these are actually just my keys. I like to keep them on hand just so I don't forget them in the car. So I've done that before, so it's kind of just good to always be able to see them. Next, I have my water bottle, just the tequila one. Then I actually really like the blue cord. I feel like it stands out really well, and it's just kind of different from the white one. I have an extra little USB port for if friends come over and I don't really know where to put it, so I kind of just leave it down there to be hidden. Next, when you lift up my dash, I have my, I'll move this over there so you guys can see really well. These are my Boss Lady. I actually have my glasses in here for when I drive. I didn't have a case on them, but I forgot to show this as well because it was in my purse and I couldn't see it. But I got this at, I believe, Francesca's when I also got my scrunchies for this. I thought this was super cute and fun, and it's a great way to keep my glasses from getting dirty and scratched up. And then next, I just have this back here. It would be cute on display, but I don't keep it out just because, I don't know, it just kind of takes up room, I guess. This is just my Tory Burch like car essentials bag. If you guys want to see all of the stuff about my car, I will be linking my car video up above. So kind of just put that in there flat, so then can kind of hide it away. Sorry for all of the dog fur. I do take my dogs everywhere with me usually. I don't have them at the moment because I knew I'd be filming this video, but I didn't really clean it out just because I will be picking them up after this. So yeah, let's put these in the back up there. And here's everything for my car. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys want to see more of me, you can follow me on all of my social media. It's always linked down below. I post daily on there, and I love just seeing feedback from you guys. And if you guys have any video requests, always leave them down below. I'm always open to filming them. And just thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. It just means the world to me. Thank you so much to everyone who's always super positive and nice, and my camera's falling off of its mount. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great afternoon, morning, or night, and bye.
Hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're round it, 'cause everyone falls.